back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this video is mainly for those of you that participated in the Catizen Airdrop campaign and you selected Bybit Exchange as your deposit destination for Catizen. This is how to check your Catizen deposit on Bybit. So what you just need to do is to open your Bybit account, click on Assets, click on Spot. Now what you just need to do, so you're going to see something like this: hide zero balance. Just click here to activate it. Then you search for Catizen. So search for Catizen. So this is Cati. Search for Cati, then you click on it. Then you will see your Catizen allocation. So this is how to check your Catizen allocation for those of you that participated in the Catizen airdrop campaign and you selected Bybit as your withdrawal destination. So Catizen is going to be listed on several exchanges on the 20th of September 2024 at 10 a.m. UTC. So if you're in Nigeria, that is 11 a.m. So those of you that got the allocation, congratulations. Well, the disappointment was much, but still yet, congratulations. There are a lot of projects that you can participate in to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So please make sure to go through my channel, make sure to follow me on Telegram, make sure to follow me on all my socials, even TikTok, to get the latest update from me. So I'll be dropping all the details at the description of this video. So I am mostly active in my Telegram group, so please make sure to join my Telegram group. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.